Back a dog, in front a dog, a Missa Dawg. What that means is people are very likely to be disrespectful or disregarding towards you or about you when you're not around, but will be very respectful, deferential even when you're directly in front of them. Essentially, they may even talk bad about you, have the most to say, but they're very polite, very well mannered, very demure when they're in your presence. And the internet is a place where this kind of thing is prevalent, right? Everybody's a keyboard warrior. I mean, some things, even people you know, you see them say online, and you know them in real life, and you know, no, them that, where that come from, right? But in real life, if they were to see some of these people that they spill all this vitriol and have all these opinions about online, quiet like a church mouse, you wouldn't hear a squeak. So yes, today's proverb: back a dog, in front a dog, a Mr. Dog, Mass Dog, Mr. Dog,